Welcome viewers to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the top 9 muscle building exercise that will help you pack on size and strength. The top 9 muscle building exercise whether you are a gym beginner or a senior gym goers. These exercises are essential for the bodybuilding and strength and mass. Let's dive in. The first exercise is squats. Stand with the feet slightly wider than hips width apart. Toes turn you slightly out and keep your chest up and out. And pressure even your feet. Engage your abdomen and shift your weight back into your heels as you push your hip back and lower yourself into a squat until either your heels begins to lift off a floor or until your torso begins to round or flex forward. Your depth should be determined by your form. Keep your chest out and core tight as you push through your heels to stand back up to your starting position. Squeeze your glute at the top. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions up to 3 sets. Benefit of deadlifts. The deadlift use the hamstring means back of thighs and quadriceps front of thighs and glutes and lower back muscles. The stabilizer muscles of the core means abs, shoulder and upper back also come in play. The building's muscle blocks. The deadlifts are highly regarded for the building muscle mass which is desirable for the bodybuilders and the people who want to prevent or reverse the muscle loss due to aging. You can use the deadlift to build overall strength, core and stability. Our third exercise is overhead press. There are lots of benefits of overhead press. There are several benefits including the overhead press in a workout routine. First is strength and size of the shoulder muscles, second tricep muscles and trapezius muscles, and also oblique, transverse abdominal muscles, lower back and spinal stabilizers when performed exercise in standing. Perform the other exercise such as bench press. Our fourth exercise is the bench press. A bench press is an exercise that can be used to strengthen the muscle of the upper body including the pectoral arms and shoulders. Depending on your goal, there are the different variation of the bench press that work slightly different muscles too. For example, narrow grip. A bench press will be a put extra emphasis on a tricep and forearm. Other benefits of adding bench press to your weight training include the encouraging upper body strength, improve the muscular endurance and even preparing your upper body to do movement like push-ups. They also can be effective strengthening the exercises for the sports like sprinting, hockey and football. The perfect way to perform this exercise, assume a standing position while holding the bar using the double-handed grip. Hinge forward your torso is roughly parallel with the floor or slightly above. Then begin the movement by dividing the elbows behind the body while retracting the shoulders. Pull the bar forward to your belly button until it touches your body, then slowly lower the bar and back to starting position. Benefits of bend or rows. The specific exercise like bend or rows target the many muscle groups like back, shoulders and upper movement of the weight, strengthen your arm and torso, which improve your functional strength. Both a barbell or a pair of dumbbell can be used to perform this exercise.
Pull-up strengthen your back. Pull-up are one of the most effective back strengthening exercise while many guys tends to focus on the muscle in the front of the body. For example, ab, chest, bicep and shoulder. Working on back of the body is equally important to keep your body balanced, prevent injuries and improve overall functional strength. Pull-up strengthen the lactissium dorsi, trapezium, erector spine in a thoracic region, levator scapula and infraspinatus.
Our Our next exercise is a barbell hip thrust. The hip thrusts are the perfect addition to any leg day routine, designed to improve your other lifts like squats and deadlifts. It's not just the glute that will look benefits for the hip thrust, because this compound exercise also target your hamstrings, as the hamstrings contribute to hips extension. They will be act as a synergetic muscle in the movement. Our next exercise is a Romanian deadlifts. How to do the Romanian deadlifts? First, use an overhand grip towards to the bar at the hip level. Draw your shoulder back and keep your spine straight. Push your hip back as you slowly lower the bar toward your feet. Press your hip forward to come in a straight position with the barbell in the front of your thighs. Some benefits: the muscular hypertrophy, increase deadlift performance, enhance hip, hamstring and lower back performance, and injury prevention. Last and one of my favorite exercise is push-ups. There are lots of benefits of push-ups, include burning more calories, protecting your shoulders and lower back from injuries, improving your balance and posture, improve your flexibility, improve your performance and aesthetic activity.
Key to building the muscle is not just what you do during your workout, but how you end it. Follow these tips to optimize your gain and smash your fitness goal. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and workout. Until the next time, train hard and stay committed. See you in the next video.